Oh, I took this off. Ugh. It's supposed to make my lips look a little bit plumper and moisturized, but I don't know about the plump part. And then I'm hydrating my under eyes with my Tarte Pack Your Bags eye mask. I'm gonna do my makeup again, and I'm gonna talk to you guys real quickly about the Weight Watcher situation, what's going on. I did a whole week of not being on the freestyle program, just doing it the way I always have, with just the regular smart points, and I'm gonna tell you guys how that went, what's been happening. So I'm gonna be using my NYX pencil in brunette and just apply that now. Okay, so let's talk about the freestyle. So I did the freestyle, you guys, and if you didn't see the video, I did say that I didn't lose a pound on freestyle at all. So I wanted to go back to just like counting the chicken as points, counting the eggs, you know, 2 points each instead of 0 points, and see how I went from there. And so I did it for a week, and I weighed myself every day, and I actually logged it in, and I'll show you guys that in a second. Sorry, my neighbor's dog's barking. I don't know if you guys could hear, but he's probably gonna wake up my kids. So eyebrows are done, and I really like this pencil. This is the second time I've used this NYX Cosmetics eyebrow pencil, and I actually really like it. So now, speaking of NYX Cosmetics, I have their Honey Do Me Up primer. So I'm gonna apply this. I almost forgot about these. I always like to touch it after, like kind of pack it in there. Okay, so ooh, look at this. Ooh, honey. I usually like, it's a primer, but it's also supposed to make you, it's also supposed to, I can't talk. It's also supposed to make you glow. And I really like when this area right here is really glowy, so I just really focus. I'm really focusing right there. But, so anyways, let's get back to the Weight Watcher talk, okay? I don't really need one. I felt like I was more grounded when I wasn't doing freestyle, because, you know, I was counting the chicken, I was counting this and that, and I was like, I don't want to overdo the points, and I felt more grounded, and I feel like I was really into Weight Watchers again. I wasn't like feeling like I'm gonna give up or anything. Like, it almost felt like the beginning when I was super motivated and like, yeah, I've got this. And I know everybody's different. It's just freestyle, like I said, it was just all these 0 point stuff. I was like, oh, I'm gonna have that, I'm gonna have that, and then I would be like, oh, for dinner I'm gonna have chicken and eggs, and that's gonna be 0 points. So throughout the day I'm gonna eat like anything I want, basically. And yeah, that didn't work out. I really like it. I feel, do you guys see this? It's like already glowing. I just brought my bag over here, my makeup bag. I don't know what foundation's in this one, but okay, we'll go with this. This is a favorite of mine, you guys. This is the Derma Blend foundation. Oh my gosh, this makes your skin look absolutely flawless. I'm trying to save it so I don't have to go buy another one yet. Today we're gonna use CC cream. So we're not gonna do full coverage. This is, it says a full coverage cream with the anti-aging hydrating serum, but I don't feel like it's full coverage compared to other ones that I own. So this to me is just very light coverage. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit. Hopefully I don't drop it on the floor like I always do. Just gonna brush it on. So, yeah, I weighed myself every day. I was having 30 points, 25 to 30 points a day for the week. And I still had eggs, chicken, but counted them. I did pretty much everything the same when I was on freestyle, like eating wise. But just, oh, this looks really light on me today. Oh, my eyes. What's your favorite foundation? Comment below. I want to see if I've tried it, and if not, I'm gonna try it, okay? Because I trust in you guys. So I'm going to use my NYX HD concealer, and this is in CW5. I don't know, a part of me feels guilty that I'm here talking to you guys about how Freestyle didn't work for me, but then I'm like, you know what? I wonder, but then I'm like, you know what? There's other girls who were agreeing with me on the last video that Freestyle is different and not really working. So I don't know if they've tried other things too. So I don't know. I kind of want to try Freestyle again, but I don't want to keep going back and forth because I know it's going to just mess with me and mess with my body and just confuse it. But I do kind of want to try Freestyle again. But I'm just so happy with what's going on right now with me being off Freestyle that I don't want to stop. And like I said, like, I'm pretty much eating everything the same. So I'm using to contour just a little bit is a NYX Cosmetics highlight and contour stick, and this one is it's universal. So I'm gonna use this. I got a package from NYX, so I'm just kind of like trying some of their products out that I haven't yet. So let's see. Oh. I meant to do a thinner line, but that didn't work. I'm picking up some of my IT Cosmetics translucent powder and kind of cleaning up the nose contour. Every time I touch this side of my face, it kind of triggers that eye spasm that I used to have. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I had something called hemifacial spasms, aka HFS, and it would make my whole right side of my face just start twitching, spazzing out, and there was no way of stopping it, and it would happen every hour, like 3 to 4 times an hour, just non-stop, and it sucked. So I decided to have brain surgery for it, which is why I have a scar. Well, you can't see the scar anymore, but I have videos of it. And yeah, I'm gonna put some translucent powder under my eyes right now. And some right here. Got some translucent powder just chilling on me right now while I do my eyeshadow. I really like the pressed translucent powder by IT Cosmetics. It's one of my favorites. And this one is not messy. The loose powder, I can't with that. It falls everywhere and it's a disaster. But anyways, let's move on to eyeshadow, and I'm actually going to be using Urban Decay's, look how cute! The Urban Decay Naked Petite Heat. I'm actually gonna take this with me on a vacation, and it's just perfect sizing. And the colors in here are like everyday colors you could wear. You guys see that? Beautiful colors. Let me hold it this way so you could actually like see. So I am going to get Hot Spell and just apply that on my crease. Let's play some music while I do my eyeshadow, you guys, and then I'll come back to showing you my weigh-ins daily with me being off Freestyle, okay? Play some music and I'll put what I applied here. It might be like that, like, PORN sounding music. I don't know, or it might be some fun bouncy music. I don't know, we'll figure it out. Okay, music. Okay, so that the eyeliner was in Roach, and then I I'm just wearing my Maybelline mascara, Maybelline Total Temptation. And now I'm gonna apply blush using the Urban Decay Back Talk. It's so pretty. Look at all these pretty eyeshadow shades. And then, oops, I just stuck my finger on something. Oh, I stuck my finger in double take. And then there's blush on the other side and a little bit of a highlighter. So we're gonna use those. Double take and low key. I'll use both. How about that? Okay, so you guys are ready to see my weekly weigh-in? I mean, you guys ready to see my daily weigh-in? Ooh, I love this blush. I love these two combined. I've used these two combined before. Oh, the best. Okay, so now that I've got the blush, I'm gonna add a little bit of the highlight. Let's just pick up, it's called Party Foul. Just like that. Like you. Let me show you. And then also I want to talk to you guys about something really cool that's going to be happening on my blog. Everything in here. Oh wait, that's my green tea frappuccino. Okay. So I did it from March 12th through March 18th. I was going to do extra, but I just forgot. But as you can see, from 312 to 318, I started off 312 at 113, and then I went down to 110. And this morning I weighed myself and I'm 111. I did have a lot of salt last night, sushi, soy sauce, you know, all that kind of stuff. But as you can see, I lost weight. So I'm like, wow, this is crazy. So like I said, I think after my vacation, I'll go back to trying freestyle again, but up until my vacation, I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing because obviously it's working. I need to tone. So I've been working out, mostly just squats and like my sides going like this and sit-ups, nothing too crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna do my lips. I'm just gonna be applying Brooklyn Thorn lip liner by NYX, and then their butter gloss, lip gloss. It's crazy that I lost that in a week. And that was, like I said, 25 to 30 points. Mostly every day was 30 points. I think there was 2 days where it was like one was 25 and one was 28. But I'm like, wow. It worked, guys. So this is my makeup of the day. Let me set it with some NYX Dewy Finish Spray. This little cute bottle. Spray. Oh, I love the way that feels. I hope you guys enjoyed. And that answers the question, me off freestyle. I lost weight, finally. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, in April on my blog, every week, I'm gonna have a new giveaway. So make sure you check that out so you can comment under there. I don't get comments under there, so you have a really good chance of winning. So yeah, make sure you check that out because I'm gonna be giving away some of my favorite things that I've shown before, either on my blog or here on my YouTube channel. So definitely check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.